trying to upload this video to you all. My name is JONDI. JONDIDESIGNS.com is the website, and we're going to see if it works. So I'm using an app called PicsArt, and if you download the app and sign up or whatnot, it's kind of like a social media feed, but for artists, digital artists. And as soon as you get started, you're going to see a menu of things, and you just simply want to select the picture that you already have downloaded to your phone from the LeGaleriste website of the models that they use on the website. All right, so these are the models that come with the product photos in case you're lost. So I just simply download to my phone and I start with that photo. So this is that photo, and now, as you can see, there's a menu at the bottom, and you can scroll across using your finger. You're going to choose to add a photo, and when you add the photo, it'll be one of your designs. So I'm going to use my It's Electric design, and I'm going to cut out the background here. And once I finish cutting out the outlining, I use the tool to cut out, but I'm outlining the actual object so that now it actually highlights the entire object. If it misses a spot, you can simply choose the restore option to get whatever it missed. See, it's a little bit up here too, and I just use my finger to get to it. Click save, and now it is saved. So this, of course, is a straightforward design, and she is showing the kimono open, and we have to make sure the design still fits the same way. So what I simply do is place the design on top of her, and if I have to, I can stretch it out. I'm going to match up the shoulders and also make sure all of this is covered. All right. So the entire dress is covered with the design. Now I'm going to use this eraser tool to erase everything that is outside of her actual body. So the design is going to end up like in the middle of her entire body. All right, so now that gives me an idea of where to place the design. Well, I know I don't want the design in the middle because she's wearing a black dress. So I'm going to take it out the middle just like this. And you can adjust your sizes of your brush size here at the bottom by double tapping on it. That's why they have the little arrow at the bottom, because you can change the opacity and the hardness as well. So I can lower the size and then zoom in to make sure that I'm just erasing this my design off of the black dress that she's wearing underneath this particular style. So I want a clean look. All right, nothing's on the black dress. So now, as you can see, my design is now somewhat on what she's wearing. So I'm going to switch back to the restore option. And if you graduated kindergarten, this is going to be real simple. You're simply filling in and coloring in. You're going to color in the dress that she's wearing, and it's going to be your design because your design is placed on top of her design. So we're simply coloring it in, and just like this, until all of it is pretty much colored in. If you make a mistake, you can always click the undo button, but it will undo everything. I'm going to adjust my brush size so I can cover more area, but still get to the edges. I just undid everything, so I have to start over. Alright, so this is a tedious thing to do, but gotta get it done right. So I'm coloring this in and up here. And I'll get as close to the edge as I can. Alright, so as you can see, it's filling in. I'm gonna keep going up when I get to her fingers and hands. Try to get that as good as I can. Looks like she has well, that's the design. All right. all of this is the design. So we get in those days. Her hand there, so you want to show her hand. And now we want to get her shoulders, the top of her body. And we're simply just using our finger to color in on the spring, along with the pattern design that she's already in. All right, so I've done the left side. It's like here, I could get a little bit closer. And go in. Okay. And down here. And as you can see, it is filling in perfectly. You can make minor adjustments if necessary. I'm switching between erase and fill. Alright. And I'm going to have to change the size of this brush to get inside here by her hand. Get her as close as I can, get that blue out. Alright, and this edge here looks a little raggedy. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the side so I can get it a clean edge. Alright. Same thing with this other side. You want to click on restore and put the sides back up as the blue line. And get as close as you can here. And color it all in. Alright. Erase if you go too far. Restore and zoom in. Zoom is your friend. The zoom button is your friend getting close so you can color in the lines and make sure everything is more even. I don't like that. Zoom is your friend. Alright, so I didn't want to make this video too long because that was the issue that I was having with uploading. I think it was a very large file size, so that's why I wasn't able to send it. But as you can see, I'm getting in, and you should be able to do the same. And once you are complete, you are going to press that little check mark up there, and your design will be saved into your PicsArt and download to your phone, so that you can share and use it as you please. All right, I hope this video helped, and voila. Let's see. Last little bit here. Oh no, all up here gotta get done. I forgot about up here. Sorry about that. This is how I make my own markup. I mean, we gotta do sometimes and be very clever in getting things done. So of course we don't want all this on her arm. And I'm sorry for the background noise. I have a house full, so it is what it is. But yeah, we want to make sure her arm is, where it's supposed to be, so that it drapes and falls on her. And also, you definitely want to get these extra, spots here to give that detail. Sorry, my son just walked in the room. And that's it. So, hope this video helped. Erase these edges up. Press the check mark. Click apply. Press the download button. It'll save directly to your phone. Save as a JPEG. Boom. You can also add text by clicking the text button, typing in whatever information you want to give. And this is called It's Electric. Um, so however you want to do yours, but this is how I do mine. So like I said, where's my set? Oh, I use Vaseline. All right, so boom, and then of course at JONDI Designs is where you can find me. Oh, I just need everything reverse. Look, now upside down. Yeah, you could do a lot on here. All right, so I hope this helps. Have a great day.